for sale. Open front chiller. Measurements on advert. Just switched it on, as it's been switched off for about 2 days. 4 shelves. Two strip lights above. Base shelf. Internal condenser below the unit. It's low fronted, quite low fronted, which is great for customers. Glass panels on the sides and the flat top. Depth, as you can see, we've had it up that close to the wall, and it's run for over a year with no troubles whatsoever, in very good condition overall. 6 shelves the same, and 2 slightly different but deeper, all white. A light switch and blind, which covers the entire fridge. And thermostat. I'm just going to turn the fridge off. Save my electric. Grab a bargain. Collection only.